Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Renovations Construction Company. We are back again. This is a stage tumefika. We have done few things here. So far so good. This thing is coming out clearly. 75% done with this beautiful bungalow or bungalow. We have done this an amazing job. Look at the beautiful lighting.
Kanifungua, nikaona mwangaza wa ajabu, nikapata wokovu wa Mungu kweli. Sasa naweza kuona mbali.
Look at everything around. The chandaria lights, everything is good. The wall is glittering. The wall master that was done on this wall is very beautiful, very nice. Keep on watching and following us. It's just the beginning. We are about to install cabinets. We are about to do all that. Look at the TV area, the TV stand. There we have done the wall to install the TV area. Yeah, so wall panels are in place to ensure everything is good. Everything is going on well. Renova, when we say we deliver, we deliver. We don't compromise with quality or quantity. Keep on looking at Renova every time, all the time.